So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we are currently learning Ultimate Python course from beginner to advanced, and in this course you will master Python with the help of projects and some practice questions after each topic. Make sure to check out, you will get Ultimate Python course from beginner to advanced playlist link in the description box. So make sure to check out. So without wasting any further time, let's continue our Python series. So what we have learned till now: first variables, second data types, third RAPL, and the fourth is list. Now we will do a practice question so that you can know how to build logic and how to write its code. So for that, our task is create a birthday counter. You have to write a program that asks the user for their birthday, date and month, and calculate how many days are left until their next birthday. It sounds little tricky or confusing, but it's not. I will explain you in the easiest way possible. So for creating a birthday counter, a first thing what we need, obviously we have to create a birthday counter for the next birthday. I am telling you that you have to write a code for the user so that user can give its birthday, and our code will tell how many days are left for their next birthday, user's next birthday. We are not talking about the previous birthday, for the next birthday. For example, if today's date is 21st of January and my birthday is 1st of January, I will not tell that 1st of January 2025 you give. I will tell for the next birthday, means 1st of January 2026. How many days are left for my next birthday? So let's create our code. So what we will need for that, first will be needed is user input. User will give its birthday. So user will give input in the form of birthday. So first is that. And the second we need is our current date. Why current date? Because we are comparing the user birthday with our current date. Then only our code will tell how many days are left for the user's next birthday. So we will write our code. So for that, our first thing will be, we have to import some of the things. First is from date time, import date time. It will import the date and the time both. Now, next thing, we will write our code. Get user input. User will give input. First, it will give the date, the day, and the month. Okay. So for the day, I am creating a variable which will store user input for the day. That is int. Why I am writing here int? Because user will give input in the integer form. Day and month both are integers, that's why. And for that input user will give, so enter birth day from, how many days are there in month? 1 to 31. So you have to give. Next we want month, birthday month, birth month. So for that I am writing birth month. Second variable, similarly user will give this. Now I'll make some changes. Enter birth month. From how many months are there? 1 to 12. So it will select from that. Okay, this much part have been done. Now the next thing is current date, because we will compare the user birthday from the current date. So for the current date, I'll create a variable that is today. For the today, date, time, dot now. This is the method which is pre-written code or pre-built code, and we are using just by writing its name. So today and date time, and we are talking about now, currently what time and what date is there. So that's why I have written now and date time. So for the current date, we have already written date and time dot now, means current date and time. We also want year, so we will create a variable for current year. Okay, now today's dot year. Current year we are talking about, that's why today dot year. Okay, now we will write logic for next birthday, because we want to calculate user's next birthday, when it will come, that's why. So for that we have to create a variable, and that is birthday. I'm giving its name, and then in that we want date and time. So for that date and time, and for calculating the next birthday, what it will need first, that will be the birthday which user is giving, means the date, the day. Second is the birth month which user is giving, and the third most important thing is the current year. So we will give here these three things inside this bracket. First is current year, then birth day, and then the birth month. Okay, so now we will write its logic. So here we will write a condition. It's similar to English, and I will be teaching you more in detail in the next tutorial, but for now it's very easy as we write in English. Similarly, if birthday, user birthday, is less than today's date, then we have to write, then this condition will run. So now why I'm writing this less than sign? Because we are talking about the future event. We are not talking about the past event. Means if I'm saying that user birthday is on 1st of January. Okay. So I am not saying that if, for example, user birthday is on 1st of January and today is 21st of January. So I am not saying that user birthday was 20 days before. I am saying that you have to calculate when the user birthday will come in the future, not in the past. How many days before your birthday was there? I don't need that. I want to calculate when your next birthday will come. That's why I'm using here less than sign. Keep this in mind. If we are calculating about the future event, we have to use less than sign. And if we want to calculate the past event, how many days before your birthday was there, then you can use greater than sign. Okay. So now I will give birthday. If this condition means we are calculating for the future event for the next birthday, then birthday, date, time, in bracket, three things will be needed. First, the current year. Second, as it is, birthday and the birth month. But we have to add one here. Why we are adding one here? Because we want to calculate the next birthday. Same condition. What it was here, same condition for that. We are calculating for the next birthday, not for the previous one. Okay, that's why we are adding current year plus 1. Now after that, we have to calculate remaining days. How many remaining days are there for your birthday to come, for your next birthday to come? For that, days left, variable name, then you have to subtract birthday. You have to subtract birthday minus today, means the user birthday and the today's date. You have to subtract user birth date and the today's date, and we are talking about the days, that's why I'm writing dot days. Now finally we will print our output. So for print, if double inverted commas your next birthday is, and then in curly braces we will write days left, because this is the calculation what we have written till now, and these calculation, the final answer is stored in this variable. That's why we are printing this days. And now we will run. So see, it's asking for your input, for user input. So my birthday is on today's date is 21st of January. So my birthday is on 1st of Feb. So I'm writing 1. Then it's asking for birthday month. So month is Feb. So 2. See this. Now I'll tell you why is this showing incorrect answer, wrong output, because this date and time constructor in Python, uh, it interprets that you have to write date, time and year in a particular order. What does this mean? I'll show you. The order should be year, then month, and then day. And what we are writing? We are writing year, then day, and at last I'm writing month. But this month should be in the middle. So that's why it is assuming that what we are giving the day, it is assuming it as month, and what we are giving the month, it's assuming as day. That's why incorrect answer is showing and we are not getting the correct output. So for that I'll just correct it. In the place of day we will write birth month, and the place of birth month we will write day, and same here also. So I'll just copy it and now paste, and now I will run. See, again it's asking for day. So today's date is 21st of January and user birthday is on 1st of Feb. So to see here, 10 days for your next birthday. It's giving correct answer. So I hope you understood how this works, and I hope you enjoyed this task, this practice question. And now we will jump to our next topic. So our next topic is operators. So let's see what are operators. Operators in Python are specially symbols or keywords used to perform operations on the variables and values. It means operators are usually symbols. For example, see here, plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulo. These are symbols. So these are operators or keywords. They can be keywords also, used to perform operations on variables and values. These operations are performed usually on the variables or either on the values which are kept inside the variable or stored in the variable, right? And Python supports several types of, these are the types of the operators which we will see. So our first type of operator is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations. For example, these are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulo, and exponential. So let's see what are these. In Visual Studio, we will make code for that. So for doing operations, for operators, we have to create variables, two variables. Okay, if we are adding, we will need two variables. If we are multiplying, we will need two variables, or subtraction or division. So for that, I'm giving its name x, and I'm storing a value inside x variable, that is 10. Now y, I'm giving its value 3. Okay, now I want to do operation on that. That will be addition. So for that, you have to print bracket, and inside that you can give operation or operator which you want to apply. So x plus y. Now we will run. So see here, 13 will be come. See here, 13 means correct output. Now I want subtraction operator. So for that, similarly, print x minus y. Now again I will run. See here, 7. 10 minus 3, 7. Now next is multiplication. So for that, print and then x star means multiply y, and again we will run. See here, 30. 10 into 3, 30. Correct output. Now next is division. So for that, print now x by y. Now again we will run. See here, 3.33335. So correct output. Okay. Now our next is floor division. Now see, floor division. So for that, x double slash then y. Okay, means division sign. Now we will run. See here, only 3 is coming. Why? Floor division means it will remove the values, the digits after decimal. See here, after decimal 0.33335, it removed that and it's only showing 3. Okay. Now next operator is modulo. What does modulo means? Modulo means it will give the answer after division, but the answer which will come in remainder. So remainder will be your answer for that. X modulo y. So what will be the answer? 1. See here 1. When you will divide 10 by 3, so 3 3s are 9, and in remainder only 1 will be left. So that's why. Now the last is exponential. So for that, print x double star y. What does this mean? I'll show you. It means square. See here, 1000 is showing. If you are not getting, I'll change this digit for now, only for this, okay? So I'm changing the digit for this 2, and now I'm giving y answer 3. So now what answer will come? 8. 8 will come. For only see for this, okay? Not for these. See here, 8 is coming. Why 8 is coming? Because 2 to the power 3. Exponential means 2 to the power means x to the power y. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2. So what answer will come? 2 into 2, 4. And 4 into 2, 8 will come. If I change its digit, I'll give 3. So now 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. That's why it's coming 27. Exponential means x to the power y. Now again I'll change these digits, 10, and this was 2, so that I can provide you on the website for notes. So here 10 to the power 2, 3 was there, that's why. See here, 1000. Correct answer is showing. Okay. So we have seen what arithmetic operators are and how do they work, and this is the screenshot of my website which I'll be providing you for ultimate Python course. Notes will be there, and if you want to make a handwritten notes, it's well and good, and if you don't want, I will provide you, and in that website you will also get free extra questions for practicing with code and with explanation also. Okay, currently it's not completed yet, but as soon as I complete this website, I will provide you its link. So now we will see our next type of operator. And what are these? Second type of operator is comparison operator. So with the name we can understand that comparison will be done. Yes, it's correct. We will compare it. So for comparison, obviously we will need two variables for comparing. We can't compare by one. So we will need two variables. That's why we have taken x and y. Then comparison operators are, these operators are greater than sign, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to, or less than equal to. And these operators will give answer in true or false, means boolean values. Okay, so now let's see on Visual Studio. So for that, I'll just comment out this code. and comparison. Okay, so now we will see comparison operators. So for that I have to create two variables, that is 5 and other is 8. After that, first comparison operator is greater than. Okay, so for that print. Now tell me x means 5 is greater than y means 8. Is it true? No, it's not, because I have written 8, I have to write y. Okay, you have to write the variable, not the value which you are storing inside the variable. You have to write the variable name. Okay, so is x is greater than y means is 5 greater than 8? No, it's false. See here, it's giving false answer. I'll just delete this and again run. See here, it's giving false answer, right? So our output is correct. Now, the second is, I'll just tell you one more thing. If I change this number 9, see here, now you tell me, is x greater than y? Is 9 greater than 8? Yes, it is. It will give true answer. See here, true answer is showing. Okay, now again I'll change the digit and run. See here, now again run. See here, false is showing. Okay, so now I'll delete this and the next operator is in comparison is less than. So for that print. Now is x less than y? Yes, it's true. X is less than y. 5 is less than 8. So we will run. Yes, it's true. And this false is for this. Okay, the next operator is equal to equal to. So what does this mean? Is x equal to y? No, it's not. Is 5 equals to 8? No, it's not equal to. It's less than. So see here, false answer. Now tell me, what does this equals to means? Where 2 equal to are there. And what does this equal to means? Where 1 equal to is there. I'll tell you. When we write this equal to, single equal to, we write single equal to when we have to store a data, a value inside a variable, or we have to assign a value to a variable. At that time we write this equal to, or we have to add something and we are writing equals to 6 or equals to that output. At that time we write single equal to. Okay, and when we are comparing anything, its name is comparison operator. When we are comparing two values or two variables that x and y both are equal to, at that time we are using double equal to sign for the comparison. If we are assigning any value, we will use 1 equal to. So for that, it's showing correct answer. If I change this digit and write 5 here, so see, 5 and 5 are equal to. See here, yes, true. Is x is greater than y? 5 is greater than 5? No, that's why it's showing false answer. Is x less than y? Is 5 less than 5? No, obviously not. That's why these both are showing false answer and this is showing true answer because they are equal. Okay, so now I'll just change this digit 8. Okay, now next operator is not equal to. So for that, print x and not equal to y. Is x not equal to y? Yes, it's not equal to. Is 5 equal to 8? No, it's not. So what we have written, when you use this exclamation marks, it tell not. Its meaning is not. And its meaning is equals to. So not equal to. Okay. So is 5 and 8 are not equal to? Yes, it's not equal to. That's why it will show true answer. See here, true answer. I'll explain you one more time. This exclamation mark means not. And this equal to means equals to. So not equal to. It's telling that is x and y are not equal. Yes, they are not equal to. That's why showing true answer. If I write 8, is 8 and 8 are not equal to? No, it's equals to. That's why it will show false answer. I hope you understood. Now again I'll change its value so that you don't get confused. Okay, now next type of operator is greater than equal to operator. For that, print then x greater than equal to y. So now tell me, is x greater than or equal to y? I'll write its name also. Greater than or equals to. See here, by its name you can understand. It's not showing it should be greater than and equal to. It's telling that either greater than or either equal to. If in both the condition, first condition is greater than and the second condition is equal to, in these both condition either one is true, then also this will give true answer. If both conditions are not true, then only it will give false answer. Okay, I'll just pardon this. In these both condition, if one condition is true, either one condition, any one, either greater than or either equal to condition is true, then it will give true answer. If both conditions are not true, then only it will give false answer. I hope you understood. Okay, so now I will run it. What does this mean? I'll tell you. Is x and y are greater than equal to? Greater than is x means 5 is greater than 8. No, it's not greater than, means this condition is false. Now let's see next condition, which is this equal to. Is 5 and 8 are equal to? No, it's not equal to, means both conditions are not true, both conditions are false, then it will give false answer. See here, it's giving false answer. If I write here 8 and 8, now see, is 8 greater than 8? No, it's not greater, means this condition is not true. Is 8 and 8 equal to? Yes, this condition is true, then it will give true answer. Either one is true, it will give true answer. See here, giving true. I hope you understood. Now I'll change its value again. Now see, the next is less than or equal to. Print x is less than equals to y. I'll write its name also. Less than or equal to. It is also similar to the greater one. It's telling that x and y means 5 and 8. Is 5 less than 8? Yes, it is true. So it will give true answer. So let's run. See here, it's giving true answer because either one condition is true, either one is true, less than condition is true. That's why it's giving true answer. If I write here 9, see here. Now tell me, see this and now tell me, is x is less than y? Is 9 less than 8? No, it's not. So this condition is false. Okay, so now let's check next condition. Equals to. Is 9 and 8 equal to? No, it's not equal to. This condition is also false. Then it will give false answer. See here, it's giving false answer. I hope you understood this one. So now I'll again change its value and comment out. This operator we have understood. What is this? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and leave a comment to let me know how you liked it. Please share with your friends and family so that they can improve their coding skills and learn Python. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.